Well, Pete, working on your heads. This is the second face cut of 10,000s. And working on the disc. Another day at the shop. Well, Pete, that's head number 1. Ooh. A little bit of smoke. That's with a 6,000s cut. So the stainless is pretty hard stuff, even with a carbide cutter. At a whole 32 RPM. Wow. Just a little comparison there. Plug way down in the hole. Way down there. All shrouded up. Ah, open and unshrouded. Pretty. So, squish band and CC. Hey, Rick Brown. First head. 2 more left and then you're done, buddy. Well, I gotta do a little finishing on that, but you're done deal. Your heads are now YouTube famous. Hey Rick, this head had a helicoil in it, and boy, it made it a wobbler. But we'll get you going, no problem. Now that sucker's a mess. Something broke in there. Woo-hoo! See what we can do with that. Yeah, I don't know if you can see, but she almost totally cleaned up. So, after being beat up that bad. So, there she is. Much prettier. Now look all official, like you know what you're doing.
Yeah, exactly, right?
There's a naked guy on the machine.
I know, it's scary, isn't it? One of Sean's buddies brought it in.
Oh, did he?
Brought some stickers in, so we've just been sticking them around on the machines to surprise each other.
Oh, shit. All right, you're now officially on YouTube.
Frightening.
Anything you'd like to say to the millions and millions out there?
Suck it.
Suck it? Okay, there you go. Perfect.